Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to get 3 months of Gemini Google AI Pro for totally free. So this is a legal method, official method. So Coursera.org is actually a website for actually learning courses, Coursera.org. I've given the link in the description of the video. So once you go to this link, there is a course which is run by this company, and also at the same time whenever you enroll in this course, so it's actually started from August 5th, and they are simply telling at this website, as you can see, limited time, enroll today and unlock 3 months of Google AI Pro at no extra cost. Terms and condition apply. So once you go to this, you click on this button, enroll for free, and there is no cost in joining this course. And now for creating this account, you can continue with your Google account. Simply select your Google account, grant permission. It's very easy. I've already done that with various Google accounts. So once you create an account right here, you click on this button, enroll for now, and you will see that 7-day free trial, unlimited access to all the courses in the specialization, cancel at any time. And you will also get a certificate after you complete the course. Apart from that, you will get 3 months of Google AI Pro, Gemini AI Pro, and you click on this button, enroll for free. As soon as you do this, you click on this button, start free trial, and as soon as you do this, you just need to add your credit card at the checkout page. So either you can verify through a credit card, you click on card. So through Razorpay, just 5 rupees will be charged, and you basically enter your card details right here, card number, expiry date, month, year, everything. Or you can verify through UPI as well. So if you have a UPI through Paytm or any service, again 5 rupees will be charged for the verification. And once you verify, you will be joined inside the course, and you will get 7-day free trial. And this is actually by Google itself. This course is actually developed by Google, as you can see right here, official company Google AI Essentials. And once you enroll inside this course, you will get 3 months of Gemini AI Pro for totally free apart from this course. So this is the program run by this company, Coursera.org. Definitely go to the description link and don't waste any time, because this may close in the upcoming days. So it was started today itself, August 5th. So definitely join this. They are mentioning 7-day free trial. You will get the course, and also you will get 3 months of Google AI Pro. So this is the official way by which you can get 3 months of Google Gemini AI Pro for totally free. So definitely join this. So this is the program right here. You click on enroll for free. You just log in with your Google account. So it's just a 4 hours course. So you don't need to complete the course. Once you enroll, you will get 3 months of Gemini AI Pro, and it's actually everything related to the course. So if you see, already 2 lakh people have already enrolled. So you can just see right here how much people are enrolling inside this course. So they are giving 3 months of Google AI Pro. So that's why people are joining this course. So go to the description link. I've given the link. Simply follow the steps and join the course. Just verify. Once you click it, click on start free trial. And once you do this, you verify through your card details or UPI. And once you do that, 5 rupees will be charged. And after that, you will be able to join the course and also get 3 months of Google Gemini AI Pro. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video.